I'm Ben Harrison, I'm Director of the Work Foundation, and our interest really in the concept of resilience in the context of family business is really drawn from our core purpose, which is to produce applied research to support everyone across the UK to access secure, well-paid and good quality employment. Now, family businesses in the UK account for roughly 50% of all private sector employment and employ around 14 million people. So just by virtue of the scale of the sector, they will be at the heart of driving up the quality of employment across the country. But I also think when we're thinking about resilience, very often that can lead people to think about being able to withstand change or remain the same despite the world changing around you. Whereas in reality, I think the route to sustainability and to true resilience is being able to adapt to change over the long term and be able to recognise where trends are taking place and how you need to adapt and innovate in order to remain relevant and to thrive in the future. And clearly family businesses, given the way that they're constituted and the way that they think about longevity, will be approaching those sorts of challenges in a particular way. And we're really interested to understand more about that, particularly at a time when we're coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, where we know there are longer term trends around the transition to net zero, the digitisation of the economy, the rise of automation. We're really keen to get under the skin of how are family businesses thinking about those changes and challenges, how are they planning for the future, and how are they planning to equip their workforces as well to be able to navigate those changes over the coming decade.